In this video, we'll explain a little more about claiming your complimentary business listing in the Hub Business Network. By confirming and updating your business details, you take ownership of your profile and strengthen your company's presence inside the Hub, making sure purchasers and estimators see your information exactly the way you want it presented. Here's how it works. When a buyer adds your company to the Hub Business Network, a profile is automatically created. If another buyer later adds your business, they'll see the same information that was entered by that first buyer. That's why it's important to claim and manage your profile, so your business is represented accurately and professionally everywhere in the Hub.